Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're talking about the best electric guitar amplifier that brings power, portability, and great sound together in one compact unit. If you want something easy to carry but still powerful, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the Amoon electric guitar amplifier. This compact amp is designed for guitar players who want clear and rich sound without carrying heavy gear. Whether you are practicing at home or playing outdoors, the Amoon electric guitar amplifier gives you a balanced and enjoyable experience. One of the first things you will notice is its 15-watt power output. It delivers enough volume for personal practice and even small performances, while still keeping your guitar tone natural and clear. The sound feels full and lively, which makes your playing more enjoyable. Another great feature is the microphone input. This allows you to connect a mic and use it for singing or speaking. It even comes with a 2-band EQ for bass and treble, so you can adjust the sound to match your voice or music style. The built-in reverb effect adds depth, making your sound feel more professional and smooth. The Amoon electric guitar amplifier also supports Bluetooth connectivity. This means you can connect your phone, tablet, or laptop and play backing tracks while practicing. It is a simple way to jam along with your favorite songs or enjoy music playback anytime. Battery life is another strong point. The built-in rechargeable battery gives you around 4 to 8 hours of use after just 2 hours of charging. This makes it perfect for outdoor sessions, travel, or even busking without needing a power outlet. When it comes to design, this amplifier really stands out. It features a stylish wood grain finish that gives it a classic and elegant look. The compact size makes it easy to carry, and the added strap makes transport even more convenient. In real life, this amp is very practical. You can use it at home for quiet practice, take it outside for jam sessions, or bring it along when traveling. It saves space, reduces setup time, and still delivers a satisfying sound experience. This product is perfect for beginners, casual players, and even experienced guitarists who want a portable option. If you need something lightweight but reliable, the Amoon electric guitar amplifier is a great choice. So, ready to upgrade your sound? Check the price link in the description and see if this is the right amp for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.